Hey everybody, Kelly Driver here. Welcome to my acrylic pouring art channel. Today I'm going to show you a video where I used silicone oil. It's just a small painting, quick video, small painting, and I've put the silicone oil in some of the paint and then tilted. So let's see how it turns out. Without further ado, let's just get on into it. Thanks for watching. Okay, this is a canvas. I scraped the painting off. It's got a weird surface on it, but I want to try using my silicone oil. So I'm going to put a black base down. I'm going to blow that out. I've got some gorgeous paint just here. Why not? Why not? Now I will stick this to the side and I'm going to put the paint colours in. I'm going to pour them into the cup here. Oh, my gold sunk. The gold sunk. Okay, now I'm going to put two drops of this silicone oil in. This is the first time I've done this. 1, 2. Oops, I think we ended up with about 3 there. And I'm going to give it a slight stir. That's all. Put this back in position here. Oh wow, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at what is happening. Wow. way too much paint on my canvas here, unfortunately. Way too much. Okay, that's great. Beautiful. I've decided I want to get this cell off here. It might be a mistake, but I don't know, I just not a huge fan of that bit. So I'm going to bring it down to take off that cell. Okay, and now I'm going to bring it back up again. Yeah, no regrets, that's okay. I'm cool with that. I am cool with it. There's never a right time. You could just keep going with this, but I'm not going to. That's all the elements on there now are beautiful. So that's the end, that's it. Okay, we'll leave it to dry now. Here is the lovely final result of the silicone oil mini painting. I put a coat of, 2 coats of high gloss varnish over the top because I really wanted to bring out that the iridescent blue-green that you can see running through the center there, and the light gold and the bronze. I also touched this painting up by accentuating the cells, these overgrown cells at the top, by just outlining them in bronze. And I think it's, I really like it. So it's just a little baby, just a baby, but it's really, really beautiful. So a lovely result. What do you think? How cool is silicone oil? Pretty amazing. 2.5 drops and this is what you can get. So it's pretty great. Thanks for watching everyone. I'll see you next time. Bye.